Guys, today I'm going to make human version 1. Had to watch my previous video. I made this tank version 1. And if you don't have any connector pants left and you want to make human version 1, good luck destroying it. If you don't want to watch me destroying this tank, just skip it. If you have built the tank on the previous video, you have enough to build 2 of this human. Assemble the parts! Why is it not working? Ha ha ha! To make it, you need 6 of these things. 6 of connector pants. Let's make the feet first. Okay, if you're correct, you have like this. 2 of these things and 2 connector pants. Just found out that this thing is named connector clips or just clips. Make the body. 2 connector pants, 4 clips. I mean 2. So this is for the head, 2 of these, and let's assemble the body like and then put it like this. This thing's still goofy, so let's put another one like this. And let's assemble the legs to the body, like left foot, leg, and right leg. Let's make the hands. 2 clips, 2 pants. Bam! Like this. And then bam! Fan. And there you have it. Human version 1. Bye guys. See you next